Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 3.6. This is question number 1, part 5. We have to find the value of this expression. So first of all, we let this expression equal to x. So x is equals to this value. Now as we have to find the value using logarithm, so taking log on both sides, log of x is equals to log of this value. Now the upper two value in the numerator, they are in product form and this one is being divided. So we will use the log of logarithm, that is log of mn is equals to log of m plus log of n, and log of m by n is equals to log of m minus log of n. Now after applying these rules, we get log of x is equals to log of 78.41 whole cube plus log of 142.3 within square root minus log of 0.1562 fourth root. So in the next step, we will convert these roots into exponential form. Log of 78.41 whole cube plus log of 142.3 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus log of 0.1562 raised to the power 1 by 4, because the power of radical is 1 by 2 and fourth root is equals to 1 by 4. Now in the next step, we will use log of m raised to the power n is equals to n log of m, or simply the power is shifted at the back of the logarithm. So log of x is equals to 3 log of 78.41 plus 1 by 2 log of 142.3 minus 1 by 4 log of 0.1562. Now we have to find the logarithm of all these three values. So in the first case, characteristic is equals to 1 and mantissa by the logarithm table is 8944. Second case, characteristic is equals to 2 and mantissa is 1532. Third case, characteristic is equals to minus 1 and mantissa is 1937. So log of x is equals to 3 into 1.8944. Now writing these values in logarithmic form, that is characteristic dot mantissa. Next one is 1.2 into 2.1532 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1.1937. So when we multiply these two values, we get 5.6832. So in the next case, 1 by 2 into 2.1532 is 1.0766, and this minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 plus 0.1937, because this in this case in the minus 1.1937 the characteristic is negative, and whenever the characteristic is negative we split up the value into negative characteristic plus positive mantissa and then we solve this value. After solving this value in the next step we get minus 0.8063. So the next value is log of x is equals to 5.6832 plus 1.0766 minus 1 by 4 minus 0.8063. Now this minus into minus is equals to plus. So log of x is equals to 5.6832 plus 1.0766 plus 1 by 4 0.8063. Now when we solve these two values we get 0.2015. So 5.6832 plus 1.0766 plus 0.2015. Sum of all these three values is equals to 6.9613. So log of x is equals to this value. Now we have to find the value of x. To eliminate this log, we will take anti-log on both sides. So anti-log of x is equals to anti-log of this value. Now we find anti-logarithm of this value. For anti-logarithm, leave the characteristic. We concentrate on the mantissa, which is 0.9613. In the logarithm table in the anti-log page, check out the value of 96 under the column of 1, and then in difference column in 3 we get 9120 plus 6, which is 9126. Now writing the decimal in its reference position, which is 9.126 just after the first non-zero digit, and now we will move this decimal point according to our characteristic, which is 6. So we will move it 6 digits. So 1, 2, 3 and 3 digits are missing. So we will put 3 zeros and we get 9126000.0, which is the answer of our question.